Mbale district is one of the districts in Uganda which is endowed with many waterfalls. However, as you can see, this waterfall, it is now looking too huge because of the heavy rains which are pouring. But during the dry season, these falls, they reduce in size. That means that it makes it very difficult for somebody to come up with a mini hydropower project. Long ago, it is said that these falls, these rivers, used to maintain a constant volume that could make it possible for one to start up a hydro power project. But as you can see now, the waters have grown up in volume. It is not possible to come up with a mini hydropower project which can make people to start up small income generating projects. So right here, I've reached in one of the homes of an old man who lives near this waterfall. Mzee kuleho kaminogo.
Kama sinaka bananga Gidudu Nasan.
Is called Gidudu Nasan. Unajua haja?
Timya hwandu ni 52.
He has 52 years. Kuboleho byambaga na homeze gashine season igindi gabamanji igindi gakende.
Kwa kugambe
He says that this water mostly becomes too big during heavy rains. He says during the month of January, the month of Feb, when the sun and the hot season has come, this water starts reducing in size. He says that he is born of this place and they have lived on this area. They know very well the importance of rain and why the rain comes because of the heavy trees which are around them. But now that the trees have been cut off, the climate has changed and at times they have no rain, at times they have a lot of rain. For Wales, for Africa, I'm Wambede reporting from Wanale.